Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Brother MFC-J1170DW printer from start to finish. We'll cover unboxing, ink installation, paper loading, Wi-Fi setup, and final checks. So let's get started. First, unbox the printer and check all the components. Remove all protective tapes and plastic covers from the printer and accessories. Keep the box and packing materials safe in case you need to transport the printer later. Now, let's load plain letter-size paper into the paper tray. Open the paper tray cover, adjust the paper guides, and place the paper neatly inside. Next, connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer using the power button. Open the ink cartridge cover. Remove the orange protective parts from the printer. Do not throw away the orange protective parts. You may need them if you transport the printer. Follow the instructions on the LCD screen and install each ink cartridge in its correct color slot. The printer will now prepare the ink system. This may take a few minutes and is completely normal. Once the ink setup is complete, the printer will ask you to set the date and time. Use the touch screen to enter the correct date and time, then confirm. Next, the printer will print a print quality check sheet. Check if all color blocks are clear and complete. If the print quality is poor, follow the on-screen instructions to clean the print head. For best print accuracy, it's recommended to adjust the print alignment. Close the scanner lid and follow the instructions on the screen to complete alignment. Once finished, remove the sheet from the scanner. If any notifications appear on the screen, simply press OK to clear them. If you want to change the display language, open Settings, go to Initial Setup, and select your preferred language. If you plan to use fax features, connect the telephone line cable. Otherwise, you can skip this step. If fax is enabled, select the correct receive mode from the settings menu based on your usage. Enter your name and fax number so it appears on outgoing fax pages. Now, let's connect the printer to your computer or mobile device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If wireless setup fails, you can connect manually. Select your Wi-Fi network from the printer, enter the password, and wait for the connection. That's it! Your Brother MFC-J1170DW printer is now ready to print and scan. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more printer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.